Alrighty, Marcus, here's your 427 small block Ford. Gives you description of this combination. It's got a set of our CNC cylinder heads on it. Got some grind hydraulic roller. Obviously GT40 front end, geared correct oil pan. Got it kind of set up Borla wise for GT40 for you, all blacked out, beautiful thing. Fuel management, Holley Terminator X. We're going to make a run, see what she does. Stay tuned. Okie doke, 3,600, 459 foot-pounds of torque, peak torque 543, peak horsepower 588. So everything's good. What we'll do now is pull the pipes back, make sure it's good and clean for you. Show you a couple things here. See if we can find this thing. Looks like a credit card's USB card. It is full of technical information. On the engine will be this tag. You'll have your engine number, some other specs. Anything from us, that engine number is the easiest way for us to look you up. Flip it over. It's got a QR code. Take you some more tech stuff. Have a great day.